I have had a recent tooth extraction, and so I am in the process of getting an implant. What started back in September, I came in with a terrible toothache on a tooth that had already had 2 root canals done. And I was told that I'm going to lose the tooth, so I thought I was just going to get an extraction. Come to find out, I needed a bone graft. So he did a bone graft and a tooth extraction, and now, again, I'm in the process of getting my implant. I love Dr. Vadivel because he not only cares about his patients, but he follows through with his patients. In other words, it's not his staff that calls me the next day after a procedure. It is him himself. And that goes a long way. I've actually have come to Dr. Vadivel and dealt with his office for several years. My daughters both have had, one has had wisdom teeth extracted, and the other has had gum issues, like in the front of her tooth. So she's had a procedure with him. And I've came several times. Again, his bedside manner, he cares about his patients, he follows through, and he wants the best for us. They should consider it because, in my case anyway, I didn't want the tooth to just be gone and not have anything to be able to help me smile better, or even chew my food so I can digest it. So Dr. Vadivel takes extra precaution when he's doing a procedure on you. He wants to make sure that you're very comfortable, that there's no pain involved. He talks you through when you get a little panic. Like I get a little panic sometimes, a little anxiety. He calms me down by saying, "Oh, you're doing great." He's just great. He loves his patients. I would recommend anybody to come to Dr. Vadivel because he knows what he's doing. I've never had an issue. My daughters have never had an issue as far as having to follow up with some work that he has done. He has taken care of me as far as maybe if I didn't like the way something was going, he came and fixed it right away. I would highly recommend people to come to him because, again, I haven't had any issues, and that's the main thing, right? You want to come to a doctor who cares about you and knows what he's doing.